Here's a demo. I'm going to score a dual section session. We're going to run one section downstairs, 6 tables, and one section upstairs, 5 tables. So we go into EBU Score, to the main menu, pairs events, and we create an event, create a new event. So this would be, let's call it beginners downstairs. And we need to make sure that it's identified by section. So we put section A, and that'll use the Bridgemates, the A box Bridgemates. We'll put in a director and a scorer if we want. Okay. Select the movement. So let's say I said 6 tables. So when we play 6 tables, we do a skip Mitchell downstairs. We run 12 boards. That's our normal choice. So there you've got 12 boards, 6 rounds of 6. There's a skip after 3, and that's essentially it. So all you do is you create that section and you set the movement. And then normally you'd go into Bridgemate scoring and kick the Bridgemates off, but you don't. When it's a dual section event, you don't. You leave the event now, so come out of it. We just exit that event. And we need to create a new one as well. So we create one for upstairs. So now we have unsupervised. We'll just call it unsupervised. That'll do. Okay. Okay, now let's assume we've got 5 tables. This is unsupervised. You're going to play a little bit quicker, so let's have a look at that. For 5 tables, probably best to play. It doesn't really matter, but let's do a hesitation Mitchell. They can probably get away with. Let's try and do 5 rounds. That would probably be all right. We can show the movement for that. So they'll play 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20 boards. That sounds about right. We'll work out, we'll get better guidance for what movements to select separately. But that would be a good choice for the upstairs section to try and get 20 board. Sorry, I should have said 5 rounds. 5 rounds. Okay. So 5 tables, 5 rounds of 4. Okay, and that's how we do it. So we do that. So now we've created the upstairs section as well, and a movement for it, and we exit that as well. So now we've got both. We go back to this event history menu, and we've got 2 separate events. We've got the downstairs and we've got the upstairs. What we do now is we click on them. And we merge sections. And what that does is it creates one more event, which is this one, event number 72. It gives it the name of the first session, which is a bit misleading, but it's a multi-section event. It's made up of events 70 and 71. That's the event we now need to start. So we would select that one, retrieve the event, and now we can go straight to Bridgemate scoring, or we could, if we wanted to, import the deals. So we could import the deal file, for example, if that was what we were going to do. Just do it once and do it there. So that's probably the best place to do that. So I'll do that anyway. We'll bring in a deal file, import the deal file. All right, this would actually be that one, but yeah, okay, that'll do. So we've got a deal file in. And now we go to Bridgemate scoring. So the 2 sections are there. The Bridgemate scoring tab is looking for both a section A and a section B movement. And all we would now do is create the database, launch BCS, we get the normal message, and BCS would run. Now that's actually a different program. You don't need to worry about that. And this is just a simulation. I'll do a normal run, and there we go. And the results will come in now. This is just a simulation of random results coming in, and they should all start to come in. Yeah, and there's one missing. That's not unusual here. So if I returned that, I could go and see that section B has a result missing. That's fine. We could put that into scores. Go to section B, and there's a missing score is there, 17. Let's assume that's 50-50, and that's okay. Now we can return from there, and we can go to reports, and we can have a look at the result display on screen. And what we've actually got here is the downstairs section scored as a 6-table section. We've got the upstairs section scored as a howl movement on its own there. So different results for each section. These are random names, by the way. And that's essentially all there is to it. When you load that into BridgeWebs, I'm not sure how it comes across, so we may need to do a bit of work on that. But effectively, that's how you set up the section, the 2-session event.